Fun Plus TV. 35 metals name with picture. Let's explore this topic together. Gold, silver, copper, aluminium, iron, steel, bronze, tin, zinc, lithium, sodium, sulfur, magnesium, mercury, manganese, nickel, antimony, bismuth, cadmium, platinum, chromium, hafnium, cobalt, iridium, lead, osmium, palladium, rhodium, ruthenium, scandium, titanium, tungsten, vanadium, yttrium, zirconium. Thanks for watching.